Wildfire alert from Linn County Sheriff's Office. Level 3 Go Now evacuation from Sodaville Cutoff Road from Hazen Lane to Middle Ridge Road. Leave without delay. It is unsafe to stay, and threatens the safety of you, your family, and emergency responders. Your life could be in great danger. Emergency services personnel may not be available to help you if you choose to stay. This may be the only alert you receive. Find resources at wildfire.oregon.gov. If you are experiencing an immediate life safety issue, call 911. If you will need assistance evacuating persons with special needs and/or animals and livestock, call 541-812-9211. Do not call 911 unless you are experiencing an immediate life safety issue.